Alright, what's up with y'all, bro? I'm about to show y'all how to sound like Cheromani or Cheromani. I don't know how to say his name, but he going crazy right now. If you don't know what song, I'm gonna put it right here.
No bitch, and she out my element. She ever said, well, I ain't more quick. Been stuck in that ever since. I ain't more violent. I had to go, but she did already. My nigga bought like confetti. Got it on my child, so baby, tell me you ready. And she gotta watch it, I bet
Alright, if y'all like that, I'm gonna make this video short. I'm gonna put the links to the ad-libs in the main in the description, but the recording preset settings, just copy these if you want. If you need a recording preset. But if you don't got nothing in your background, just don't copy the noise gate. It's whatever. And then the auto tune, this is what I did, but you could do whatever for that too. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just download these and then link the recording preset to the main, and then yeah, it's that easy. You're pretty much done. And I'm gonna put how it sounds right here.
No bitch, and she on my element. She answered when I walk quick. Bitch, I get on hissing. I had a glad you doing it already. My nigga bugging fatty. And I went on my channel, so they tell you ready. And she got a wedding like fatty. I had to show it to her. What is he saying, bro?